Finding the equation of a curve involving integration. Now, every time we've looked at an integration question so far, we've always added on a constant value c, because this constant value c is where it's going to cross the y-axis. Now, sometimes we can be given a coordinate point that we know is on the curve to enable us to find that constant value c. And here is an example of that style question. So it says the gradient function of a curve is dy by dx is equal to 3x minus 1 in one bracket multiplied by x plus 3 in the second bracket. And it says the curve passes through the point 1, 12. Find the equation of the curve. So the first thing we're going to do in this question is we're going to integrate what we're given here, and then we're going to add on our c, but then we're going to substitute in our coordinate we know is definitely on that line to find the value of c. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to integrate what we're given. So we're going to integrate 3x minus 1 x plus 3 by dx. So first step we're going to have to do is we're going to have to expand these brackets. So we're going to do 3 times x. Well, let's change colour. So let's change colour to red. So 3x times x, which is going to be 3x squared. We're going to do 3x times 3, which is going to be plus 9x. Do minus 1 times x, which is minus x, and minus 1 times 3, which is minus 3 dx. So let's collect together the things that are similar. So we can collect together our 9x and our minus x. So it's 3x squared plus 8x minus 3 dx. So let's integrate that now. So y equals, add 1 to the power and then divide by that new power. So 3x cubed over 3, 8x squared divided by 2, minus 3x plus 1 divided by 1. And then we've got our constant to add on. So let's just tidy that up a bit. So y equals 3 divided by 3, well that's 1, so it's x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus c. Now, the only thing we know now is we're told that this curve goes through the point 1, 12. So in the question, goes through the point 1, 12. So this curve passes through 1, 12. Now what we're going to do to help find that value of c, well, we know what the x component must be, it's going to be 1, and we know what the y component is, it's going to be 12. So we're going to substitute those values in, and it should enable us to find the constant value c. So let's do that. So we're going to have 12, 1 cubed plus 4 times 1 squared minus 3 times 1 plus our constant c. So if we tidy that up, 1 cubed becomes 1, 1 squared is 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 3 is minus 3 plus c. So let's sort this out. So 1 add 4 is 5, minus 3 is 2, so the c is 10. So what we've got now is we can replace in our equation, we can replace c here by 10. So our final answer is going to be y equals x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 10. And that's why if we know a coordinate we can find that constant value of c.